Introducing the 2024 Land Rover Range Rover SE, finished in elegant Fuji White with a luxurious leather interior. With just 4,136 miles, this Range Rover delivers the perfect combination of luxury, technology, and all-weather capability. One of the standout features is the MHEV Pro connected navigation system, giving you advanced navigation and connectivity to help keep every drive convenient and enjoyable. Add in a power, moonroof, automatic high beam, headlights, dual-zone climate control, rear air conditioning, and four-wheel independent suspension, and this Range Rover is equipped for both everyday driving and unforgettable road trips. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, paired with a smooth Z F8 speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. One of the standout features is the premium sound, with a Meridian premium audio system featuring 15 speakers, bringing your music to life throughout the cabin. And third, enjoy a more comfortable and controlled ride with adaptive and auto-leveling suspension, designed to provide a refined driving experience with its combination of luxury, performance, technology, and capability. This 2024 Land Rover Range Rover SE is ready to impress. Contact our dealership for more details.